The topic of this video is gonna be a Ninja 400, which is what this is, versus a Kawasaki ZX6R, which is my other bike, which is the next step up. Well, I guess you could say the next step up will be the ZX4R, or I don't know if it's got 2 or 1, but the 600 version of this, pretty much. Let's get straight into it. So, if you're starting out, you know, never rode a motorcycle, this is your bike. This is what you want. It's the easiest bike you could possibly drive. Clutch, I mean, it's ridiculously easy. Things I like about this over the ZX is the riding position. It's incredibly comfortable. I mean, it feels like you're riding on a scooter. Yeah, I mean, you pretty much are, but it just, I mean, I rode this thing for hours, and my butt, I think my butt might have been a little sore. That's just because the quality of the seat isn't, I mean, it is what it is, but my back don't hurt. You know, you're sitting in an upright position. Oh, it's getting a little chilly now in the shade. But yeah, the riding position is amazing. It's pretty cheap. I got mine with a bunch of add-ons and stuff. So I think it was like after fees and everything, it was like 8,000 or 9,000. The sticker price on it now, I believe it's probably like 57, depending on where you go. But it's fairly cheap. Maintenance, cheap. Gas mileage, as you can see, I got 2 bars and I got 50 miles. And that'll actually probably go up depending on, you know, how you drive it. But when I'm driving like this, it's probably gonna go up. But the gas mileage, amazing. Compared to my ZX6, this gets like, how I'm driving now, I probably get like 70 miles to the gallon, maybe a little more, a little less. And on my ZX6, it gets between, depending on how you drive, of course, but if you're just cruising like this, probably like 40. The ZX6, it's a little less comfortable. I've gotten used to it. It's all just about, you know, figuring out the most comfortable position for you. Some people like to lock their arms. I like to kind of not lock them, just kind of leave them, you know, just put a little crease in your elbow, and then kind of sit with the arch in your back. And I mean, you're gonna get uncomfortable. It's just a matter of time. But I could probably ride for an hour or 2 before my back starts hurting me a little bit, you know. But if you enjoy riding, then that's not gonna get you off the bike. You know what I mean? Yeah, insurance on this bike for full coverage is, let's see, I think I'm paying like 80 or 90, which is pretty cheap compared to my other bike. I tried getting full coverage. I said fuck that, because they wanted like $900 a month for the bike, and within a year I would have paid more for insurance than what the bike's worth. So no, I'm not doing that. So I just got full coverage. That's why I'm having to pay out of pocket to get it fixed. But it's still a whole lot cheaper than paying $900 a month. But I don't understand that, because my buddy, he's younger than me. I'm 23. I think he might be a little younger than me, right around the same age. Same bike, same, I think maybe the same year. Full coverage for him is only like 150, 200, if I'm not mistaken. So I don't know why I don't have any speeding tickets or anything like that on my record. I got a minor fender bender, but other than that, it just don't make no sense. So they kind of fucked me on that, but it is what it is. That's just, I mean, look what you ride. They know what you're gonna do on the bike. That's why they told me. They said the amount of people that get speeding tickets and wreck them and total them out, and they just automatically expect everybody that owns one to ride like that, which they do. But Yeah, this is a great commuter bike. So is the ZX6. It's just a little more fun. It's a little easier to get in trouble, just because you get on it a little bit. Next thing you know, you're doing 60, 70 miles an hour, you know, down Main Street, and it don't even feel like it. Like, you get to second or third gear and you're double, triple the speed limit, just like that. Whereas this bike, it's a little easier just to cruise. You know, you don't feel the need for the speed. What else? Personal opinion, I like how the ZX sounds better. To me, that's what a motorcycle should sound like. I mean, this sounds good too. It's parallel twin parallel, whatever the fuck you want to call it. So they don't sound bad. I like the sound of it. I just, you know, I think how the ZX sounds is what a sport bike should sound like. Now the ZX4, that motherfucker sounds mean. It sounds just like the ZX6, just a little less there, if you know what I mean. Fuck, I'm trying to think of what else. Riding position, fuel mileage, the maintenance cost, the price of owning one. Tires are cheaper. Well, are they? Oh, that might be about the same. I know I pay like 600 or 500 for a rear tire on my other bike, and it's supposed to be like top of the line. I can't remember that. It's some SR plus or I don't know, some weird shit, but it's a Dunlop. I can't think of nothing else, so I'm just gonna cut the video here. If there's anything, if you own a bike, no matter what it is, just comment down below what you like about it, what you don't like about it. If there's anything you'd like to know about this bike or the ZX6, you know, if you're in the market, you're looking to buy one, just holler at me and I'll answer any questions. I've owned this bike for 2 years. I've owned my other one for almost a year. So if there's anything you want to know, just holler at me. And if you made it this far and you ain't subscribed yet, why ain't you subscribed yet? Oh hell, where'd I go? Where the hell do I go? Oh shit. Shit, I don't know. Fuck. I don't think this is right. We lost. But yeah, if you like the video, drop a like. It don't take but damn a second. Yeah. Y'all stay safe. I'll see y'all in the next one.